Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at 5 of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The Head T.S6 tennis racket is a popular option for players seeking a lightweight yet powerful racket with enhanced control. Designed with an emphasis on comfort and ease of use, it features a titanium and graphite composite frame that ensures a solid and stable feel during play. This combination of materials enhances durability while providing the player with a high level of performance. The racket is strung at a 115 square inch head size, offering a larger sweet spot for more forgiving shots, making it ideal for beginners and intermediate players who may require extra power and consistency on off-center hits. With its lightweight design, the T.S6 weighs only 8 ounces, strung, allowing for faster swing speeds and reduced strain on the arm. This makes it particularly advantageous for players who have a slower swing speed or those looking to avoid injuries such as tennis elbow. The T.S6 frame features Head's Energy Bridge technology, which improves the overall stability and strength of the racket, providing excellent shock absorption. This technology reduces vibrations that are transmitted to the arm, helping to improve comfort during long matches. The racket's slightly elongated length, 27.75 inches, gives players a bit more reach and leverage, which is especially helpful on serves and ground strokes. Overall, the Head T.S6 is a well-rounded racket offering ease of play, power, and control. It caters to players seeking a forgiving yet responsive frame with a comfortable feel and reduced risk of injury. Whether used for casual or competitive play, the T.S6 is a solid choice for players who prioritize comfort without sacrificing performance. Number 2. The Yonex Ezone 100 7th Gen tennis racket is designed to offer a perfect balance of power, control, and comfort, making it a top choice for intermediate to advanced players. This 7th generation model continues the legacy of the Ezone series, combining advanced technologies with a modern design to enhance overall performance on the court. One of the key features of the Ezone 100 is its 100 square inch head size, providing a generous sweet spot that offers excellent forgiveness on off-center hits. This racket's frame is engineered with Yonex's signature isometric technology, which optimizes the shape of the head for a larger and more consistent sweet spot. This allows players to achieve more power and accuracy, even on less than perfect shots. The Ezone 100 also incorporates Yonex's vibration dampening mesh (VDM) in the handle, which reduces unwanted vibrations and provides a more comfortable feel during play. This feature is particularly beneficial for players who experience discomfort or arm fatigue, as it minimizes the risk of injuries such as tennis elbow. With a 305-gram unstrung weight and a 16 by 19 string pattern, the Ezone 100 offers a great balance between power and control, allowing players to generate both spin and precision on their shots. The racket's flexible frame also contributes to its easy handling and responsiveness, making it suitable for players who rely on fast swings and aggressive playstyles. Additionally, the racket features an improved overall stiffness for added stability, which enhances control during fast exchanges. Whether it's for baseline rallies, net play, or serving, the Yonex Ezone 100 7th Gen delivers consistent performance, comfort, and responsiveness, making it a standout choice for competitive players seeking an all-around high-performance racket. Number 3. The Wilson Blade 98 16 by 19 V9 unstrung performance tennis racket is designed for advanced players who seek a combination of control, feel, and precision. Known for its sleek design and cutting-edge technologies, the Blade 98 V9 is the latest iteration in the Blade series, which is renowned for its exceptional response and adaptability on the court. This model features a 98 square inch head size, which strikes a perfect balance between power and control, offering a more compact and precise sweet spot. The 16 by 19 string pattern enhances spin potential, allowing players to generate more revolutions on the ball, which is ideal for aggressive and spin-heavy playing styles. The frame is constructed with a blend of high-performance materials, including the proprietary graphite and Kevlar technology, which delivers both stability and a solid feel during play. One of the standout features of the Blade 98 V9 is its FeelFlex technology, which improves the frame's flexibility and optimizes the racket's responsiveness across a wider range of play. This results in improved ball control and a more comfortable feel during impact, allowing players to execute their shots with precision and confidence. The racket's braided graphite plus basalt construction further enhances stability and responsiveness, making it well suited for players with fast, aggressive swings. The blade 98V9 weighs around 305 grams unstrung, providing an excellent balance of maneuverability and power. This weight, combined with the racket's slightly thinner beam, makes it a perfect choice for players who prefer a controlled, precise game. It also comes with 4 available grip sizes, 1 to 4, allowing players to choose the most comfortable fit for their hand. Overall, the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is ideal for advanced players seeking top-tier performance, offering control, spin, and a customizable feel for a high-level game. Number 4. The Sonya Blackout 300 tennis racket is a versatile and performance-oriented option designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking a racket that delivers a blend of power, control, and feel. Known for its sleek design and advanced features, the Blackout 300 offers an exceptional combination of attributes that cater to a variety of playing styles, particularly those who value both control and comfort. The racket features a 98 square inch head size, providing a solid balance between power and precision. The 16x19 string pattern enhances spin potential, making it a great choice for players who rely on aggressive, spin-heavy shots. This string configuration, combined with the racket's responsive frame, allows for excellent ball pocketing and control, making it easier to execute both topspin and slice shots with accuracy. Weighing approximately 300 grams unstrung, the Blackout 300 is a relatively lightweight racket that offers maneuverability without sacrificing stability. This makes it suitable for players who prefer fast swings and need a racket that can quickly adjust to various shot types, including fast serves and rapid exchanges at the net. The frame is constructed with Sonya's advanced carbon fiber technology, which enhances both durability and stiffness for added stability during high-intensity rallies. Additionally, the racket incorporates vibration dampening technology, which helps reduce unwanted vibrations on impact, providing a more comfortable feel and reducing the risk of injury, such as tennis elbow. The Sonya Blackout 300 is ideal for players who require a racket that balances control, spin, and power in a lightweight and maneuverable frame. Whether for baseline rallies, serving, or volleying, the Blackout 300 offers consistent performance, making it a great choice for competitive players seeking an all-around racket. Number 5. The Wilson Pro Staff 97V14 unstrung performance tennis racket is designed for advanced players who demand precision, control, and feel in their game. As part of the iconic Pro Staff series, this racket is tailored for players seeking an enhanced connection to the ball, offering a superior level of responsiveness and performance on the court. Featuring a 97 square inch head size, the Pro Staff 97V14 delivers a smaller sweet spot, which provides unmatched control and precision for players with a more advanced skill level. The 16x19 string pattern offers ample spin potential, allowing for greater ball rotation, making it ideal for players who rely on aggressive playstyles, including heavy spin and aggressive ground strokes. The racket's frame construction utilizes braided graphite plus Kevlar technology, which enhances both the stability and feel, ensuring that players can execute their shots with confidence. The FeelFlex technology further enhances flexibility, providing a more dynamic response and improving ball pocketing for enhanced control during play. These features combine to deliver a racket that excels in precision while offering comfort during intense rallies. Weighing approximately 315 grams unstrung, the Pro Staff 97V14 provides excellent maneuverability without compromising stability. This makes it a great choice for players who prefer quick reactions and aggressive shot-making. The racket's thinner beam adds to its precision and feel, making it ideal for players who want to dictate the tempo of their matches with accuracy. In terms of design, the Wilson Pro Staff 97V14 sports a sleek and sophisticated aesthetic, maintaining the signature look of the Pro Staff line. Overall, the Pro Staff 97V14 is a top-tier racket for advanced players seeking control, precision, and a refined feel in their game. It's perfect for players who value responsiveness and want to take their performance to the next level.